Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about this booster. You probably got two of these last week. You would find them in your digital coupons folder under the household folder of your Walgreens account. A 10 off of 30, along with there's also a 5 off of 25. So there was four of them. They are all of a one-time use. And if you look below it, it says valid from the 17th to the 23rd. So it starts today, right till next Wednesday. So you have 2 weeks to really play with these. It has to be on regular priced items. Stuff that's on clearance or on sale won't attach with this. But it says store-wide coupons, even though it's for pickup exclusive. These were working last week in store, so we'll have to wait and see how people are playing with them in store. And these are also pairing with this. And I'm going to call this the Santa booster just to make it easier on everybody. And this is valid until the 19th. So I actually got this guy to work with one of those other boosters last week. I think I did it on Sunday in the store. And I was like, wow, I did really great. So a couple rules. Again, this is valid until the 23rd. So that's the date, 17th to 23rd. They are of a one-time use. Pay cash if you're going to use that Santa booster with, because if you don't, you're not going to get back your Santa points or whatever, the Walgreens cash. Definitely in this video, read in the comments, because if people are having success in store, they will obviously share that in the comments. So read what other people are asking or writing, because that's usually where you'll get your information the fastest or your answer the fastest. And for the deals, I'm not specifically going with stuff with register rewards, just with the Walgreens cash, because it's been kind of the thing out there that some people get their register rewards if they do curbside pickup. Others don't even get them. So you're kind of like throwing it up in the air. To do it the easiest way, probably a deal with the Walgreens cash. People will probably say the absolute opposite, because I said that you might not get your register rewards for a curbside pickup. But I've been reading through hundreds and hundreds of comments, and a lot of people just don't get them, or it causes a big hairy problem. So to do these deals like spend $25, get $10 back in Walgreens cash, I just think it's an easier way to go. But by all means, this is just a starting point. You can do whatever you want in the comforts of your home. You can tabulate whatever you want to buy and then see how it works out and plays out. That's the beauty of curbside pickup. And again, this isn't set in stone, but I'm just throwing it out there because a lot of people are not getting their register rewards. So for a deal like Crest or Colgate or whatever, you might not get it, or the Godiva deal, just saying. Okay, guys, so deal number one, we're going to go with the Gillette King C. A little disappointed for this go round. The coupons are very low on this, but hey, got to work with what you have. Spend $20 on participating Gillette King C products. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash. You must pay cash for this balance. We're pairing it with this guy, which is the Santa booster. So please make sure you have it loaded for this little dealio. And then with that, we're going to be using a 5 off of 25. That one seems to be attaching for this little deal when I do it online for curbside pickup. So basically how this works is you order it online, you drive to the store, park in a location, and then the employee will bring it out to you, and that's a curbside pickup. Will this work in store? We don't know as of yet. So the following items we will be grabbing include... Okay, so the first item that we're going to grab is some of these blades by the Gillette King C for $9.99. And we have a $4 coupon that's actually attaching to it. So make sure that you have this guy loaded for this little deal. And yeah, not the worst deal, that's for sure. And then the next item that we're going to grab, guys, is the beard or face wash for $12.99. Whatever your store might have in inventory, because this is a curbside pickup. And then one of these fancy schmancy blades for $9.99. And it's all predicated what they have in stock too for this curbside. We have this $2 digital that's attaching, so please make sure you have this guy loaded for that fancier razor. Now these are the coupons and promotions that we have. The $4 for the blades, the 5 off of 25 for the basket, plus the $2 for the razor. So hopefully that you can see where I'm going here with the math, and that's how the numbers are coming off. Now this is my basket for the curbside pickup. I have $32.97 of merchandise. The 5 off of 25 promotion, I'm doing a pickup, so that's free. My tax is also included, and I have $6 of manufacturer coupons. The $2 for the blades, the $2 for the razor. That's how I'm getting the number 6. I have to pay $23.65 cash out of pocket, and then I'm getting back $15.32 in Walgreens cash. What that shakes out to is $8.33 for the 3 items, or $2.77 per product. Okay, so for deal number 2, this is again another curbside. So we're going to be going with a whole bunch of the NEXXUS shampoo. $10 of Walgreens cash when you buy $20 of participating products. Now, the snag I ran to for this, just trying to show you guys how to do this deal with a curbside, was my store didn't have a lot of this stuff. So I guess this is like something people are buying a lot of lately, or there's just not a lot of inventory for this. So it's going to be an extra $5.99, just to note that. But if your store has a bunch of this, you will not have that problem. So we need this, which is the 10 off of 30. And even though I had the smaller 5 off of 25, this is the one that came off for me, which was kind of bizarre and goofy. But hey, I'll take it. I'd rather have bigger savings for this basket. And of course, you need the little Santa thing, because we're going to be spending $40 for this, so we'll get $10 back in Walgreens cash. How lovely is that? And if you read the fine print of this booster, it also tells you how many times you can do it, like how much cash you can get. I think it's like $90. And then we're going to need this digital coupon. So if we can do this in store, I know there's also a $5 coupon in, like, I think the 13th insert, the newspaper insert for that day. So I mean, that would be a lot better than just one manufacturer. So for this basket, guys, I'm going with 4 of these shampoos at $11.99. That is not cheap. So the total for this is $47.96. And I'm going to opt to have this picked up. Unfortunately, my store didn't have it. And then the coupons that are attaching include the $5 off and then the 10 off of 30 for the curbside pickup. So how fantastic is that? You have the option too for curbside that if they don't have exactly what you want, you can opt to have your order canceled. I would absolutely press that because you want these items to go with the deal. And if 2 things are missing, you don't want to pick up half of the order. So looking at this, guys, $47.96, subtracting the 10 off of 30. Shipping is there for me because they didn't have this product at my location. And then I have $5 of manufacturers. So your total, if your store has all these products, would be $36.96. And then you're getting back a very weird $30.47 of Walgreens cash. 20 as you bought more than $40 of NEXXUS shampoo, and as you bought more than $40 of stuff, you're getting back the $10 of Walgreens cash for that Santa booster. So if you wanted to get like something different, a different type of shampoo, hairspray, whatever, mix and match, whatever will work. But this is how I got the numbers to work for me, and hopefully this works out. I'm sure there are people that are going to try it and let us know in the comments either way. Okay, guys, deal number 3 is with some razors again. So we're going to be going with some Schick products. $25, you'll get back $10 of Walgreens cash. So for this one, you have to pay cash for the balance as well. It's not negotiable with the verbiage of the booster for this little deal. And we're going to be utilizing a 5 off of 25. So you're going to use one of these, and those razors are full price. So it's probably going to work out for us. And along with this little Santa thing, we're going to get back $5 of Walgreens cash as we're spending $25. So those two are stacking. So how great is that? It's going to give us some extra savings for this little dealio. So guys, what I went with was, I don't know, a lady's razor that probably a lot of us like is the Intuition with the shaving cream at the bottom. They're $12.99 each. So for 3 of them, that's $38.97. Now, the 10 off of 30 is attaching to that. So how wonderful is that? You're getting a little bit of savings. And just looking at this now, you'll pay $30.71 with the tax. And we're doing a curbside pickup, so that's free. And then we're getting back $15.38, 10 for spending 25, plus $5 of that Santa booster. So the final price point here is $5.11 per razor. If you wanted an inexpensive stocking stuffer, there you have it. This is just a starting point too, guys. I think the NEXXUS deal is fire. Some of these other ones, if it's just a bit too much out of pocket, I fully understand, but just to give you an idea. And then we have next week to use some of these boosters as well. So if everything's a hot apple fail for you, perhaps next week we'll come up with other deals to use with these boosters. And we'll have to wait and see if anyone's having success in store using these boosters. And then perhaps, using Register Rewards or other paper manufacturers. That might be the way to go. Read the comments and I will pin any information I get as it comes in. As always, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.